In this video, we'll bring this model into the drawing workspace, make orthographic views of it there, and then export it as an editable file in AutoCAD. The design is composed of a bunch of bodies. I need to convert them to components to make them workable in the drawing space. So I'll right-click here, choose Create Components from Bodies, and now they're components. Click on the Workspace switcher, click on Drawing from Design, and then this dialog box appears. I can choose the sheet size, the units, and other things. I can also hide what I don't want to bring into the drawing space and then click Visible Only, but I'm going to take all the defaults and click OK. Here's another dialog box. I can choose the scale to work at. See all the choices here? I can choose the style I want it to look like. I can choose the orientation of this view. And again, I'm just going to take the defaults and click OK. Now I'm going to right-click on this base view, click Projected View, and then hit Enter. And I'll do it again here, and I'll do it once more. I've got a lot of things I can do up here. For example, I can add dimensions. I can add a center line. I can add text. I can add leader text. And I can do some basic modifications. I can add symbols. And a feature that I particularly like is tables. Click on it, and this will generate a table for all the components. And so this will serve as a nice parts list. And now I'd like to export it. So I'll click here, and I can export it as a PDF, DWG, DXF, or CSV, which is a spreadsheet. The DWG isn't very editable in AutoCAD, but exporting it as a DXF is. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to open it in AutoCAD. Here it is. And as you see, I can click on any line and the whole file is perfectly editable. Let's return to this file and just try one more thing. If you want to delete anything, just select and hit delete. I'm going to move this over here. And let's look at how to make a section view. Go to Create, Section View. Let's select this as the parent view. Start it here, end it there, hit Enter. Hit Enter again, and there's a section view. Looks like I need to move this over a bit more. Let's try this again. Create, Section View, Parent View. Let's start it here. Click there, hit Enter, and we'll place the section view there, and hit Enter again. And that's how you do a section view. Let's look at the detail view. This creates a circular detail view of a portion of the design. So we'll click on Detail, select Parent View, select Center Point of Detail Boundary, and we'll place it. If I want to change any of the document settings, I'll just click on this gear and I can change font, units, and other things here. If I want to change the sheet settings, there are a couple I can change, and there they are. And there you have it.